between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware are 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Atoll Corals and Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Delmer, Deepwater Reef, Fort Trigger, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Pine Beach, Point Pleasant Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, Seabright, Cedar Reef, Shark River Reef, Ship Bottom in Filterton until 8 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots 12 nautical miles west of Belmer, moving southeast at 30 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near 5 nautical miles southwest of Belmer and 6 nautical miles northeast of Silverton by 6:40 p.m. over Point Pleasant Beach, and Manasquan Inlet by 6:45 p.m. over Atoll Corals and Reef, and 5 nautical miles southwest of Cedar Creek by 6:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for northwest New Jersey and northeast Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey are 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey are 20 nautical miles.
Here we go. Another one. This one's gotta be for New York. I mean, that was for New Jersey. This has gotta be for New York.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monmouth County and central New Jersey, northeastern Ocean County and southern New Jersey. This includes the city of Toms River until 7:30 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near West Freehold, or 19 miles northwest of Toms River, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Freewood Acres around 6:30 p.m., Howland Farm and Gill around 6:35 p.m., Lakewood around 6:40 p.m., Brick Township around 6:55 p.m., Manasquan around 7 p.m., Mantle-King around 7:05 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's greatest killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth County, New Jersey.
Oh, triple header. I know. I'm wasting my memory card.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clearbrook Park, or 11 miles south of New Brunswick, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
Oh my god, 4 of them. I've just broken an EAS record. 4. 4. Holy crap.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for Westchester County in southeast New York, southern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Hawthorne or near Tarrytown, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to White Plains, Scarsdale, Harrison, Port Chester, Rye, Stamford, and Darien. When a tornado warning is issued based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York. The tornado warning
Okay.
in Rockland County.
That's it.